What did we do?
We got it.
Well, we classed up 3 bulls. And what it looks like. Nice bulls for an over-the-counter unit here in Colorado. Bubba's a little wet. We're gonna start hiking out of here. He was impressed with those bulls for about 3 seconds. That one bull's pretty nice, actually. Nice 6-point. Yeah. Dude man is picking himself what he believes will make for excellent torches.
I'm gonna say 1 for a torch and 1 for a couple for a fire.
Sweet.
Hee hee hee.
We finally found what we was after on the way out tonight. There's a group of elk up here. They are on BLM, but they are going to be quite a trek to get to them, so we might try to do that tomorrow. Living up on that bench. I've been there in the spring picking up sheds, so I know how to get there. Just a matter of whether or not I want to haul elk quarters out of there or not, I guess. We glassed some more elk. About the time that we thought we was done for the morning, I just glassed up another 16 is what I counted up in the rim rock. So we're making a play. We got to get across this valley and up on the other side. So let's see what happens here. Graydon, we didn't go find one of these elk. We gotta get one. All right, man. See him right here. Come here. Look at him. Isn't that cool? So we could shoot these. These are all cow elk, okay? See the ones that don't have antlers? We can shoot those, but we gotta watch them and see where they go because right now we'll never catch up to them. They're a long ways off. So we just gotta watch them and stay patient, okay? Yeah. We thought it was gonna happen, getting all set up right here. Well, it's morning 2, and we got in on a really good group here. Didn't we? And we saw, I don't know how many, I didn't count, but there was over 50 in that group, and I wasn't watching that lead cow. They were going to feed right out into a perfect little bench for us to shoot one. And they busted us moving out here in the sun, trying to get into position. Stupid rookie mistake. Anyways, they're going away from us now, so we'll watch them and see if they'll stop in a position that lets us hunt them here this afternoon. Cool to see them. What do you think, Bubba?
Good.
Yeah. Good morning. It is morning number 3. It's just Big G and I, and we got some elk glassed up. They're a long way off, and they're quite a ways up the mountain. But we see some elk. We're gonna watch them. Sun is up. We'll see if we can make a play on these. Bubba's pretty excited. He wants to try to get in there, right? Yeah. Hey, Bubba. This way. Nice. Oh, we're about 800 yards from them, and we're still moving. Hey, great. Look. We might, if we get to where we're looking, we'll be under 500. That'd be money. But we got a lot of country to cover between here and there. Okay, come here first.
I'm so excited right now. I can almost scream.
Come here, Bubba. Come here. What do you see right there? We got one.
And can we go check it out? We're gonna go check it out. Does it have antlers?
No, buddy. Hey, what did we do?
We got it.
Daddy and Big G just got one. Oh, there's a bunch of elk up on the hill there. Look at this. Do you see them all standing up on the mountain there? You see them?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, are they wondering where their sister or brother is?
No, probably not, but they're just wondering, because that loud noise of the gun kind of scared them all out of their bed right there, and now they're just trying to figure out what the noise was and where to go from here.
Can I go check it out?
Of course.
I can see one right there.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
There's a young spike bull in there.
That's so cool.
And then we've got ours is right there laying dead. That's perfect. See that one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can't wait.
All right. Well, me and G did it. That's exciting. Sat on these elk for probably 2 hours, maybe. Jeez. Oh, sun's out. Nice.
Now we get to celebrate, and I mean it, when we get home. Hi.
Well, we're trying to get over here before we lose daylight. And, boy, it's a son of a gun. The video don't do it justice. Keep going. Find us a good way. Looking good. As soon as you clear that juniper, look up the hill, see if you can see her.
Oh, I can see half of her body.
Go check her out. Go pick her head up. You got you a pair of ivories in there.
She's bleeding from the mouth.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
It weighs a lot. Her head weighs a lot.
Yeah. What do you think, man?
Still like it.
Yeah. Good looking elk. Oh, we got her pulled off the hill. And nice cow.
Yeah, she looks pretty big.
Looks big, huh? All right, man. That's exciting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here, come down here and pick her head up. Graydon's first elk hunt. Of course, Dad's elk, but Graydon's first elk hunt. Can you get her head up? There it is. Look at that. Big head, huh? So what do you think? You want to say anything for our video?
Well, I'm just glad I got this elk that, yeah, I just really love this thing. This is the best day I ever had.
It's pretty fun, this elk hunting stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and she made us work for it because she was in a nasty spot. We crossed some nasty country getting over here from where we shot her from. We're gonna make a big fire and get to work.
Yeah, probably eat a couple pieces.
Yeah, you think so? Okay. There you go, 2023 cow hunt. But that's all, folks. All right. We're gonna make us a little fire here. Get somewhere to warm up our hands.
Yeah, I'm getting cold.
It was 10 degrees out here this morning, so I imagine temperature will start dropping here before too long. We are way up high this evening. The view isn't terrible, that's for sure. Look at the fruits of our efforts. I got 4 Argali game bags full of meat. Got us a fire on the side of this mountain. There's the remains.
Yep.
What do you think, bud? What do you think about this elk cutting business?
Good.
Yeah? It'd be better if I wouldn't shine the headlight right in your face, huh?
Yeah.
All right. That's a wrap. Great day. That was fun.